someday Jesus will save me. I know someday he will lead me to the light.
The brothers then go out to work.
Oh, I see.
So they are the Dusk Brothers.
That's
because
really
they
cool.
go out at night because they've been the house dads.
That's brilliant.
I think one's a teacher, one's a nurse. So I'm Nigel Howe. I am the training officer for the Oak Frame Training Forum, which is the training wing of the Carpenters Fellowship, and this is our annual conference. We call it Frame, and we've got a number of people here who are here for networking. We'll have 120 people here tonight. There'll be more coming tomorrow for the day. It's usually a 3-day event. It involves training, some good talks and presentations from experts from all over the world. We've got people here this year from America, from Korea, and from China, as well as from France and Argentina. They're the ones who've turned up so far. We're very pleased to have Jez with us to talk about his flat-pack bird hide, to show us the amazing guitar that he's made, and of course his talk on the history of designer makers here in the UK. Our company is actually called the Chelvey Designer Makers. We're here in the hamlet of Chelvey, and we have a cooperative of designer makers based here. So we're pleased to have this association with Jez. It's always a good event, and there will be a party tonight. It's very much networking for the Carpenters Fellowship. We're going to have the Reens, who are a local ukulele and mandolin band who play things in such a straight way that it is incredibly amusing. And then later we're going to have the Dusk Brothers, and they are by popular request, because they played here 2 years ago, and they are a first-class band. Saturday night is going to be party night. We've got Smerrin's Antisocial Club, who are the mother of all party bands. They've headlined the Bristol Festival, and we're so thrilled to have them with us here again.